been in photography for a minute. You're thinking about starting a business because you like it. You want to do it more than just as a hobby, but you don't know if you're ready to go pro yet. Today, I'm going to give you some very simple tips on knowing when it's time to go pro. Hey, stay tuned. What's going on, guys? My name is Todd Turner, and if you just happen to land on this channel and this is your first video, just know that this channel is designed for people like yourself who want to turn their passion into profit. You can go somewhere else to learn how to take better pictures, but here we're going to teach you how to make some money with those pictures so you can feed your family. Today we're going to talk about knowing when it's time to go pro. How do you know? I'm going to tell you how I knew, because it's very simple. When you have the ability to consistently recreate your best work, it's time to go pro. As an amateur, you do what I like to call spray and pray. It's when you take 1,000 pictures and you get back to the house to see what you got, to see what's good, to see if you got something that's dope. I think I got a dope shot of her. I think that's amateur stuff. Pros create situations. Mostly because we have a better understanding of how things work and what needs to be done to create what we want. We spend a lot of time in pre-production because we understand that to get a headshot with a shallow depth of field, I need to shoot at f2.8, but not f1.8 because it gets too blurry and just the eyes are in focus and the ears aren't, but f2.8. I need to be shooting it at a 2-to-1 lighting scenario and make sure that my hair light is one stop below what my key light is, just because I like the way it looks. And I want to make sure my background has some distance away so I can create a very shallow depth of field. I go into the game knowing what I want to do. It's just like basketball. As an amateur, you show up, you shoot around, you throw a pass to a guy, you don't even know if he can catch it. You never played with him before, you don't care. As a pro, you have practices. You got teammates you play with every day. You know who to pass to, when to pass to them, and why to pass to them. You're running plays. You have more pre-production. It's not just about the actual production or post-production. You go into it with a plan. As a professional, you'll do more planning because you know what you're capable of. On that basketball court, I got Steph Curry that's open at the three-point line. I'm going to hit him with a dime because I know he can knock it down. I know what he's capable of based off playing with him and knowing what my team does well, so that now I can sell the idea or I can sell my services based off what I can do consistently. As an amateur, to go pro, it's very important that you do a few things. You have a great understanding of light. That is probably the most important thing in photo and video, is your understanding of light. Because it doesn't matter what gear you got if you don't understand light. Doesn't matter what kind of car you got in this race if I don't tell you what the road conditions are. You may show up with a Corvette, you may be at a Baja, we may be desert off-road, you're jacked. So guess what? You're getting dusted because you got these big old tires and this big truck that got all this horsepower, but it's not right for what you're trying to do. You have to have a great understanding of light. Then you can have a better understanding of your gear and how your gear reacts to that light or whatever you're trying to create while using light. Very important that you have that understanding, because with a great understanding of light, you can almost create on just about everything. I promise you, your iPhone pictures will get way better when you have a better understanding of light. So with this better understanding of light and having a general to great understanding of gear, you'll be able to have better plans and better pre-production. You'll go into it knowing what you need to do to get the look you want, the look you promised, the look that your client is paying for consistently. That's what makes you a pro. And when you can come to those results consistently, you can sell that service. If you're a basketball player and you can hit that three-pointer consistently, you're probably going to be pro. So that's how you know when it's time to go pro. All right, guys, listen, if you got any questions about this, hey, get in those comments. For those of you who are not members of Flashfilm Academy YouTube channel, make sure you hit that join now button and learn about our perks. Also, check out our 3 free courses at flashfilmacademy.com. Hey guys, listen, I will see you guys in the next video. I may even see you on a live Q&A, especially if you're a member. See you later.